Don't be this guy. These guys are throwing out trash. Look at all that trash. When you're a trucker, don't do this. Look at that shit. Nasty ass trucker just throwing out his fucking trash. Trifling motherfucker. He don't even give a fuck. Nasty. Let's see what he's gonna do with all that. Is he at least gonna do the right thing? He just got out of his truck. Look at all that. And is he gonna throw it away? Oh, we're gonna do a PTI. Ignore it. Nope, that's not my trash. Wait. Oh, he's picking it up. I wouldn't have done that. I would have just held on to that stuff inside the truck and put it in a bag, then carried it out. I'll just dump it out. That's pretty nasty. At least he had the courage. At least he had the fucking courage to throw it away. But that's the trifling way to do things. I wouldn't have done it like that. If you have trash in your truck, keep a trash bag. Put things in it as you go. Don't just sweep it out, then come back around and look all trashy. But at least he had the courage to pick that shit up. Because that was utterly disgusting. Utterly. So, alright, I just wanted to share that real quick. Till next time.